What is the difference between depreciation and amortization? Friends, remember, in any business, anywhere in the world, two kinds of assets are used. And what those two kinds of assets are? Those two kinds of assets are number one, tangible assets, and number two, intangible assets. So what is a tangible asset? Tangible asset is something that you can touch, you can feel, and you can see. That is a tangible asset. So your building, property, plant and equipment, computer, furniture, office equipment, aircraft, ship, train. Now these all are example of tangible assets which are used in the business of different kinds. The second category of the assets that we use in our business are known as intangible assets. So what are the intangible assets? Intangible assets are the assets that you cannot touch, you cannot feel, and you cannot see. So those are intangible assets. Now friends, please remember, doesn't really matter whether an asset which you are using in your business is a tangible one or intangible one. Doesn't really matter. The fact that you are using these assets in your business, value of these assets is diminishing because of the usage with the passage of time. So meaning what? Meaning any tangible asset that you're using, its value is going down. Any intangible asset that you're using, its value is also going down. So a reduction in the value of a tangible asset is referred as depreciation, and reduction in the value of an intangible asset is referred as amortization. In other words, if I can tell you, what depreciation is for tangible asset, amortization is for intangible asset. And that is the difference between the depreciation and amortization. At the same time, please remember, both of them are non-cash expense. So what is the meaning of non-cash expense? The meaning of non-cash expense is, even though you debit the P&L, you do debit the P&L with the amount of depreciation, you debit the P&L with the amount of amortization, there is no outgo from the business of cash on account of depreciation and on account of amortization. Ajay, I hope that answers your query.
सर, अगर कोई इंटेंजिबल एसेट्स है, फॉर एग्जांपल गुडविल,